Alrighty, hello everybody. My name is Jessica and this is
Tina.
Alright, now in this video it's going to be really short and it's going to go really quick. We're going to teach you how to make Ghanaian cassava flakes. Absolutely nutritious, very tasty, and easy to make. So, Tina, over to you.
Okay, so we have all the accoutrements that we need, but especially you need a bowl, okay, as big as this, and you need a spoon, and then you need a knife for ideal milk. And it doesn't have to be ideal, it has to be evaporated milk. And because we want the flavor and stuff like that and everything, we need powdered milk as well. And we decided to use a bit of
Champion drink.
and then a bit of this.
Biscuit.
This is nutritious Nutri-Snacks. You understand? Then we have our brown sugar, okay? You need a bit of that. And then we can't leave this one out. Very tasty groundnut. And then the champion cassava flakes, okay? So all you need, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to start by opening this quickly. Oh, thank you. My able support. You just need that. And then it goes in there. Okay? Now once all that is gone in there, it's a whole tin of milk, okay? A whole tin. Okay? You put your sugar in there to your taste. It doesn't have to be too much. So once everything is done, you take your spoon, okay? And then you try to do the mixture. So I have a bit of hard sugar in there, but that's fine. So once you've gotten that sorted, you want to bring in your powdered milk. Okay? with Ghanaian. This food, after you've eaten it, you just have to sit by the toilet. Okay. Because we want the rich taste. I mean, it's popularly known as dinat. Dinat. If you don't even understand, please, you don't try to understand. It's called dinat. So you should be getting something like this. Okay. Okay. So now, this is how everything is panning out to be. Okay. Okay. Sometimes getting a bit of the lumps in there makes it also sweet. What do I say? It's not easy. Okay. So you pour the water as much as you want. As much as you want. I prefer to have the whole thing in there. Okay. So once you have this going on, the spoon has refused to stand, so you add the almighty granule. Okay? And folks, don't forget that the almighty Milo is not here yet, so it's not complete. Now, you add this. Oh, Charlie. This spoon won't allow me to be great. Okay, great. Charlie, use your teeth if not. Okay. Now you put this in for flavor. You know flavor? Yeah. You have this Great. Now that all this is done, you put it in there. Now the reason why the biscuits and the cassava flakes are last, so that we get a crunchy taste. What do you see? Okay. Now you can decide to taste so that you know that this is your base. You understand? This is your base. So good for you. Thank you. So I don't normally like a lot of cassava flakes. It's just for, you know. So you can pick 1, 2, and 3. And that is all, folks, that you will need. And then Nutri Snacks goes in there. So I will take just 2 for now and break it as and when. So you have it by you all the time. As you're eating, you're breaking it into, so that you don't lose the crunchy bit of the whole thing. So there you go. This is our nutritious Tanta Labutelle cassava flakes that you can have for brunch. Thank you very much.